Esosa's world. Today we are in Bloxburg and it's really dark, so let's go fast in. And today is our roleplay. We're going to show me and my daughter Evelyn our new house. Hey! So let's go and show this roleplay house. Okay, let's start. Okay, here is like a tropical modern theme. It's really cute. Evelyn, do you like it? Wow, okay, she likes it already. Now we can see. So, it's beautiful. Yeah, it is. So let's show them the right garage. There. So this is our two-seater car. It's really cool. It's actually really beautiful. It's cost also a lot of money, and I hope so you guys also like this car like I do. Okay, let's show them the other garage. So this is the car. This actually a van, and I guess we are going to also learn some driving with Evelyn. If she's getting older, she needs to learn how to drive. Yay! Okay. Let's just go inside with the entrance. So, Evelyn, are you okay? So, we'll just close the. Yes. Okay. Let me show you guys the ride first. So here is like just a small table to call the pizza man, the burger man if we want to eat food, and read books, a lot of plans, and hope so you Evelyn will also read books. Can I have a look at my room? Of course you're allowed. I can show them around. Thank you. No problem. Okay, here's like a small shelf with everything what you guys think will be in the sitting room if we don't need it, and different kind of color of book and other stuff. Okay, here let me just on the fireplace. Here is the sitting room, aka family room. Here we're going to be playing some family games, looking some films, and look at actually just the news. So here is the bathroom. Really cute, small but not too big and not too small. Here is the new cutting update. I love it. And here can just plan some stuff. And yeah. Here's like a hallway from the garage into the garden place. Mom, my room is beautiful. Thank you. I also decorate your room. And hope so your baby brother will also like his room. So, let's just continue. I really think so. Me either. Here is the place where we put our shoes on, away, our jacket if it's raining. Here's the umbrella. Where we take the umbrella. We just have three because David don't take umbrella. He's small and he don't have to hold it. Here's the kitchen. Really aesthetic, really cute. Okay. You guys can see in the chat, Evelyn is making TikTok videos right now. And she's saying, hey guys, I'm so excited. Okay, guys, let's just stop with this tour fast and just embarrass a little bit. I guess she's in her room. just because I just moved in my new house. Hi TikTok, it's me, Evelyn's mom. I am no mom. Okay. Let me just go out. Stop. Okay. Um, guys, I just enter her TikTok video. Hope that she will not delete it. Hope that she keeps it and posts it on TikTok. That would be really weird and funny. So here is the dining table. Really cute and big enough for the whole family and also for some guests. Here is the laundry room. Really cute, really small, but I like it. Guys, don't forget, before we continue this video, let's just smash this like button, subscribe to my channel, and press the notification bell if I post a new video. Okay, what is Evelyn saying? So I just going to show it to you guys. Okay, she's showing the house to her fans. She will be like me one day. She's just gonna make some YouTube videos like me. Okay, here's the place where we just go out from. If we go to the car, it's automatic light switch, so I don't need to off it. Okay, let's just go up. Okay, what is she saying? I mean my new room. Okay, she's just showing her room, not even the house. Okay, that's okay. Here is my sofa. Okay, interesting. Okay, here is the master bedroom. Not like a walk-in closet, just like a common master bedroom. I have also books. Close to the master bedroom is a bathroom. I know I could connect it, but I think two bedroom is actually good, not just for the master. So I just did it for everyone. Yeah, it's a little bit small, but I think it's good. Okay, what is she saying? And my bed. Here is my makeup. And look at this mirror. Here are my clothes and some plants. Okay, she is just showing her room. Guys, I know. Let's go and let us see her room with you guys. It's a lot of makeup and perfume. Don't know why. She just like all this maca stuff. Not like me. I like everything actually. So here's the bathroom. Close to Evelyn's room. Bye guys, I hope you enjoy. Okay, see I finished the TikTok. Yeah, here's the bathroom. Here is the office, aka play room. I know that she plays sometimes Roblox, but she plays more other stuff. Makes other TikTok. She's making again a TikTok. Let me just knock this time. Evelite, open the door. Yes, open the door. I want to show them fast your room. Okay, then I'll go and leave your TikTok alone. Fine. Okay, here how I said is her makeup and perfume. Love makeup. Her mirror I love is like a lighting mirror. Here's a sofa, how she said ready to have fans. Here is her light, her timer, and her bed. Here is a closet, plants, and a floral photo. Okay, she's downstairs. I see her username. Okay, here is like a playing AK film room that we will look at a lot of films and play also some games here up. Actually, it's like the second living room. So, and how you guys can see, it have a lot of space. Firstly, is for my YouTube channel, and secondly, is for Everlight's TikTok. Okay, let's just say bye to my fans. Come, Everlight. So guys, this was for today's video. Hope that you guys enjoyed this house tour. We will be making a lot of more Roblox videos, also real life videos. We just make the stuff to make this Roblox video ready, and hope so you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to smash this subscribe button and press the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Press the notification bell that you guys will be. Bye guys. Bye.